Hello everyone. Please don't mind my voice. I'm actually kind of losing my voice. But this is my video speaking about my teaching philosophy statement. This is the essay I created. I highlighted some important parts I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so let's begin. I started my essay by explaining why I want to be a teacher and when I decided that decision. And it was actually my past teachers and my past experiences. I wrote about how I remember perfectly. It was in my fourth, third, and fifth grade elementary class when I was a student. I remember thinking and feeling like, wow, this place is so fun. Like, I enjoy being here. I would like to be on the other side and be the teacher. And then ever since then, I'm like, I'm gonna be a teacher when I grow up. And yeah, that's what I'm going for now. I do hope to be a counselor in the future, but I do want to be an elementary teacher. Also, I reflect on how my teachers were, and that they have characteristics that um, I want to follow when I am a teacher. I talked about three characteristics I'm going to teach with, and I wrote, I'm going to teach with kindness, creativity, and enthusiasm. I remember I was subbing once and one of the aides commented, she's like, wow, you're really good, like, sub. I like how you show them love first and then, you're firm with them. Because she was saying how she's like firm with them and then she slowly shows kindness to them. But for me, I always show kindness. That's what I've noticed. It works for me the days I've subbed, and that's something I'm going to continue doing when I am a teacher. Creativity. I feel like this is a big one and it goes hand in hand with enthusiasm. Sometimes the content isn't that exciting, but it is our jobs as teachers, I believe, for us to make it engaging, fun, bring the content to life using technology, UDL technologies, what else? So many things out there that we could use to bring the content to life. I also spoke about how I'm going to include my personality when I am teaching. So students have about, 20 teachers in their lifetime, We don't want to be the same teacher every year. I want them to experience with me. I'm going to bring my own personality, my own flavor to the classroom and the classroom decorations. I strongly believe making connections is key to be an effective teacher. Making connections with the students, finding out what their interests are, and connecting it with the content. Making connections, I think, is everything. In order for me to improve as an educator, because we're not all perfect, I'm going to ask for feedback from my students, and then based on that feedback, I'm going to reflect on it and change some things, apply some different things, and depending on what the feedback. And then last but not least, I just want to talk about, for me, one of the best personal rewards of teaching is seeing the growth of your students. You have your students for not 365 days, but 150 days, I would say. And the students are going to be different from day one to the last day of school. And I feel like seeing that growth in them personally, it's like, wow, it's like very rewarding. I'm excited to start teaching and seeing my students grow. So yeah, this was a little video. I didn't speak about everything, but these are some key points I have in my teaching philosophy.